Problems on Newton's law of cooling. First problem, the temperature of the body drops from 100 degrees centigrade to 75 degrees centigrade in 10 minutes when the surrounding area is at 20 degrees centigrade temperature. What will be its temperature after half an hour? When will the temperature be 25 degrees centigrade? Now, if you want to solve this problem, already I discussed Newton's law of cooling. The statements, once again recall the statement of the Newton's law of cooling. Let theta be the temperature of the body and theta naught be the temperature of the surrounding medium. Means every time generally we will consider air temperature. By Newton's law of cooling statement, the rate of change of temperature of body is proportional to the difference between the temperature of the body and the temperature of surrounding medium. Now, we are writing this statement mathematically. Already theta is the temperature of the body and theta naught is the temperature of the surrounding medium. Now, according to that one, the rate of change of temperature of the body means d theta by dt is proportional to theta minus theta naught. Then this implies d theta by dt equals to minus k into theta minus theta naught. Here observe this one, this is minus k is the proportionality constant because temperature is decreasing, that's why instead of plus k I have taken minus k. Then separate the variables, theta terms one side and t terms one side. When you are separating the variables, here d theta by theta minus theta naught equals to minus k into dt. Then integrating on both sides, integral d theta by theta minus theta naught minus k into dt. Then after integration, observe this one, it is in the form of f dash of x by f of x. That's why we are writing here log of theta minus theta naught equals to minus kt plus c. Integration of dt is t minus kt plus c. Now this is very important equation. In every problem you write this statement. Without this one we cannot solve the problem. Based on this equation only we will solve the problem. Observe this one. In this we have three terms. The first one C is the constant and k is also proportionality constant and theta is the temperature of the body and theta minus theta naught. Now this is the equation number. Once again I am reading here. Log of theta minus theta naught equals to minus kt plus c. Now observe this one, first statement in this problem. The temperature drops from 100 degrees centigrade to 75 degrees centigrade in 10 minutes. Means at t equal to 0, means at a time, initial time t equal to 0, what is the temperature of the body? 100 degrees centigrade. Means first of all I will consider that one. If t equal to 0, then theta equal to 100 degrees centigrade. And already we have taken here air temperature is 20 degrees centigrade. Now I am writing here theta naught equal to 20 degrees centigrade. You substitute all these values in equation number 1. Now from the equation 1, log of theta minus theta naught means 100 minus 20 equals to minus k into time is 0 minus k into 0 plus c log 80 equal to c. Means c value I got log 80. Means in this problem what I will do, first of all I will calculate c value, after that k value, and after calculating these two values according to the problem, then we will calculate the time or temperature. Means first two steps are c value and k value. Now I got c value here, c equal to log 80 degrees. That next again check the problem once again. Temperature drops from 100 degrees centigrade to 75 degrees in 10 minutes. The initial time 100 degrees centigrade already I have taken. Now if t equal to exactly 10 minutes, then temperature of the body theta equal to 75 degrees centigrade and theta naught equal to 20 degrees centigrade. This implies, now you substitute all these things in equation number 1. Again from the equation 1, log of 75 minus 20 degrees centigrade equals to minus kt plus c. Minus kt plus c means again I will substitute here t value is 10 minutes. Log of 75 minus 20 equals to minus 10k plus log 80. Then 10k you bring this side, 10k equal to log 80 minus log 55. Therefore, k equal to 1 by 10 into log 80 by 55. Then log A minus log B formula is log A by B. Therefore, K equals to 1 by 10 into log of 16 by 11. Now, in the first step I calculated C, after that I calculated here K value. Now, according to the problem, what will be its temperature after half an hour? Means, if T equal to 30 minutes, then what is the temperature of the body? I am writing here mathematical notation. If T equal to 30 degrees centigrade, then theta equal to question mark and air temperature is theta naught equal to 20 degrees centigrade. Now, I will substitute all these values in equation number 1. The equation number 1, once again I am writing here, log of theta minus theta naught equals to minus kt plus c. Log of theta minus theta naught is nothing but 20. Log of theta minus 20 minus k into 30 plus log 80. Already we got the k value and now I am substituting k value also. Minus 1 by 10 log of 16 by 11 into 30 plus log 80. Then 10 ones are 10 threes are here. This is 30 here. Minus 3 log 16 by 11 plus log 80. Therefore, log of 11 by 16, I am rewriting the statement, then it becomes minus into minus, it becomes plus log of 11 by 16 whole cube plus log 80. Then log of theta minus 20 equal to log of 11 into 11 into 11 by 16 into 16 into 60 into 80. Therefore, then both sides we can cancel log theta minus 20 equal to 20 plus this calculation 25.99. Therefore, temperature of the body is 45.99, approximately 46 degrees centigrade. Now, another part, we have the second part is also available here. Then, when will the temperature be 25 degrees centigrade? Means, if the temperature of the body 25 degrees centigrade, then what is the time? Then, I am writing here mathematical notation wise, theta equal to 25 degrees centigrade, then T equal to question mark. Then log of 25 minus 20 equals to minus 1 by 10 K value, this is log of 16 by 11 into T plus log 80. Then log 5, this is log 5 minus log 80 equals to minus 1 by 10 log 16 by 11 into T. Then log 5 by 80 log 11 by 16 whole to the power of 1 by 10 into T. Therefore, by using scientific calculator, then T equal to 74.86 minutes. Means, if temperature of the body, if it is 25 degrees, then it will take the time, how much time? 74 degrees 86 minutes it will take the time. Now, this is the, in this problem, we are calculating temperature of the body when they have given time. Now, suppose if they have given the temperature of the body, we can calculate the time also.